Hello, everyone. Have you ever wondered if keeping your phone charging all night is damaging your phone's battery? Well, today I'm going to explain all this in the simplest way possible. Even if you know nothing about phone batteries, trust me, you are going to understand everything I am about to tell you. Now, imagine your phone as a water tank. Anytime you are charging your phone, it's like you are filling that tank with water. But guess what? Your phone's water tank, that is, your phone's battery, can never be over full because it has a system that stops charging when it is full. So, no, your phone will not overcharge when you leave it plugged in. So, does it mean that leaving your phone at 100% is okay all the time? No, it is not okay. Think of a rubber tie. If you stretch it to its limit and keep it like that for some hours, it weakens over time, right? That is the same thing that happens to your phone's battery if it stays 100% for a very long time. It wears out faster, it becomes tired faster. Listen, the materials in your phone's battery work at their best when your battery is between 20% and 80%. Keeping your battery at 100% puts so much stress on the materials in the battery that keeps your phone running. And within some time, you would realize that your phone's battery will not perform as it used to be. Have you realized that when you buy a new phone, the battery is not fully charged? This is because batteries last longer when they are stored between 40% and 50% charge. If 100% was the best, then phone companies would have shipped it to you at 100% charged. Some people say you should let your phone die so that you will charge it back to 100%. That is not exactly true. Doing this too often will destroy your phone's battery. However, once in a month, maybe once in 2 months, it is good to let your phone drain completely, then you recharge it. This helps your phone to recognize or remember what 0% and what 100% truly is, so that it doesn't suddenly turn off at 10%. Alright, here are 3 simple things that you can do to keep your battery healthy for a long time. Number 1, avoid leaving your phone plugged in overnight. If you must, then please make sure you wake up during the night or you wake up at dawn to unplug it. Number 2, charge your phone when it gets to 20% to 30% and unplug it at 80% to 90% if possible. Point number 3, use a timer plug to stop charging after some hours. Yes, there are some plugs that have timers on it, so you can determine the number of hours you want your phone to charge. And after that set hours, your phone automatically stops charging because that plug will not allow the flow of current. Now you know, your phone will not explode if you leave it charging overnight. But keeping it at 100% for too long will shorten the lifespan of your battery. Take care of your battery and your phone will last longer. If you found this helpful, please drop a comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more easy tech tips. Until we meet next time, this is your favorite teacher, Teacher Yima. Bye-bye.